Hello, everybody, children and adults of Grange in the early years foundation stage, our nursery and our reception, our Mark's Rashford class, our Elijah Aquino class, our Bob Marley class, our Sojourner Truth class. We know what we're all about at Grange. We do good listening, we use kind words, we use kind hands for great actions. We have our CC way, confidence and consideration. Vamos. Now, what I want you to do is to come with me to train the CC way. And I want you to remember there is only one you, there is only one me. But what do you know about the number two? Can you do that again with me? So put one finger up. There's only one me. There's only one you. But what do you know about the number two? And what I want you to do this half term, children, and you can discuss it with your teacher, discuss it with daddy, with mommy, with carers. I want you to think about what is special about the number two. Can you do a beautiful drawing about the number two? Can you show me how you can make up two? Two can be one add one. You can see, look over there, there's two fingers up there. There's the number two. I just want to see what special presentation you can make for me all about how interesting the number two is. And we can have it ready for when we come back from the half term on the Tuesday after we come back from the half term. It is a very special day because it will be Tuesday and it will be the 22nd of February, which means it will be 22.2.22. Though that's very big stuff that you are going to learn about as you grow up in Grange, in year 1, in year 2, in year 3, in year 4, in year 5, in year 6. But right now, you all know about the power of number two. So can you do a beautiful drawing or something special? Maybe you can make something and it's got two parts. And you can just show me how special the number two is. So who were our gold stars of the week? Well, we had Baran and Ayan and Hia and Partiv. And I'm so proud of all of you gold stars. And who were our class champions? Well, we had Uneza and Bob Marley and Sarah and Bob Marley and Rebecca and Bob Marley and Yoaz and Bob Marley and Parativ in Sojourner Truth and Idris in Sojourner Truth, Baran in Sojourner Truth and Eliza in Sojourner Truth. Proud of you, children of Grange. If you heard your name, give yourself a pat on the back. Give yourself a confidence boost with your hand on your heart. And you can remember also to be considerate because we are very powerful children. We are very kind children. We are very loved because we are Grange, and that's what we're all about. Like we're a school, we're like a family. We care about each other. We all help each other to learn. We help each other. We share. We take turns. We are so happy when somebody does well. We encourage each other. That means we say to each other, come on, good try. Keep going. You can do it. Because at Grange, we are all going to make it. Do you remember the reindeer came to see us at the end of the autumn term before Christmas? And it was so exciting to see the reindeer. Well, we're going to get something amazing coming to us soon. And that is, we are going to get some can you see the picture? Do you know what that is? That's a baby chicken. We call that a chick. And the chicks don't come like that when they come to Grange. They're going to come as eggs, but they're going to be in a special container, which is called a hatchery. And there'll be strong light in that container. And the light is lovely and hot. And it will warm the eggs. And then the eggs will hatch. And a chick will come out. And at first the chick will be floppy and struggle to even stand up. But soon the chicks will grow. And you'll even be able to touch the chicks, hold the chicks. And the classiest class will get to have the chicks live in their classroom. We'll all go and visit the chicks and see the chicks. So excited about the chicks. Maybe you can do some learning to learn a little bit more about chicks and how they grow up into chickens and how they come from eggs and what they look like and how they walk and what do they look like when they come out of the egg and what do they look like when they get bigger. I'm so excited about these chicks coming to us. I'm almost as excited as I was for the reindeers coming to us. So remember, everybody, let's do a CC salute. Let's start the way we always do at Grange EYFS. Let's do good listening. Let's use kind words. Let's use kind hands for great actions. Let's go see, vamos. Let's put our hand on our heart and say, confidence means I believe in me. And let's circle our head like our beautiful world and say, kindness is strength, consideration. I'm going to make the world a better place. So, children of Grange, let's learn together. Let's respect each other. We can do that by taking turns, by caring about each other, by checking we're okay, say, how are you? And listen to somebody. And if they're sad, help them. And we can achieve our potential together. We can all be great, be Grange.